Here's another morning. They're right out of the gate, going straight for some scratcher over there. There's my dog Stuart in the background. He's obsessed with the chickens. I'm not sure if you can see the steam. Oh, hi, Dragon. Dragon got really close. Hey, girl, what's up? Oh my gosh, hello. Hello. Morning, morning. We got a 130-degree compost. Broke it up a little bit. Say good morning to the dragon, chicken dragon. Oh my gosh, they're getting so fearless. Dragon, you're looking beautiful. There's Goldie Hawn. Whoa. Whoa. It's breakfast, people. Breathe it out. Here we go. Oh, what? Did you see that jump? Oh my gosh. Goldie Hawn sees something. What is it, Goldie? Whoa, dragon. Pecking order, maybe? What do you need? Go get some food. We got some breakfast salad there. We got really, really warm compost. It's like heated floors for them. We got sprouted seeds in here somewhere. There's like some there. And I threw some cracked corn over there. They got some of their rations over there with Stuart. Good Lord. What was I saying? Oh yeah, with some of their grit, which is being introduced because they're eating other stuff now. Oh, go, oh, yeah. That Easter egg over there, the brown and black one. Oh, they see Stuart. Whew. Whew. Dragon didn't care. Whoa, what? Whew. My gosh, he looks like a ghoul. Here we go. Chickens, chickens, chickens. Chickens, chickens, chickens. Sacagawea, you lost your last tail feather. That, unfortunately, is from a bout of very mild cannibalism when they were in their brooder. And then I had to move them out here really, really quickly. But they were all eaten up on her bum. And she had one tail feather left. And so I called her Sacagawea. Sacagawea, I love you. I love you. She's beautiful, though. She just looks a little stout because she doesn't have tail feathers. Hopefully they'll grow back. And thankfully it's not some disease that usually takes their tail feathers out. It's really just from these birds munching on her butt. Hey, Goldie Hawn, Goldie Hawn, Goldie Hawn, what you up to, Goldie Hawn? This one is so brave. Look at that. What? Hi. Dragon. I'm kind of scared of Dragon. Dragon's got huge feet. Oh, shoot. Goldie Hawn, Goldie Hawn, Goldie Hawn. It's beautiful, isn't she? Look at that. Oh, Goldie Hawn. She knows I'm taking a photo of her too. Look at her. Get it going. Walk the runway. Oh, shoot! They're fighting in the morning. Sacagawea, what were you doing? Defending? Oh my God, I almost fell over in the compost. Okay. Get it, dragon. Be the queen. Be the queen.